Mose, what is conversion rate? Is the percentage of visitors to your store who actually make a purchase. Now, the average conversion rate for e-commerce sites sits around 2.8%. But don't worry, with the right strategy, you can boost that number. Now, for your store to convert, you need to attract the right audience with the right offer. Don't waste resources advertising luxury watches to someone searching for affordable fitness tracker. You need to hone your target audience and tailor your message accordingly. Now, another thing that you need to do is that you need to make sure that your product page is user-friendly and streamlined. Have you ever discovered that 80% of the customers want to see products on the home page? So you need to eliminate unnecessary steps and clutter. Now, another thing that you need to do is that you have to leverage social proofs elements like reviews. You know, people trust people, and testimonials to build trust and encourage buying decisions. Remember, 90% of people trust online reviews, so you need to showcase them proudly. Now let's dive into specific tactics that you can optimize. Now the first one is you need to have high quality images. You have to think your product image as a silent salespeople. You need to invest in professional looking that showcase your product details. We have best apps that you can download from Google Play Store that can fine-tune your photos. Remember, high-quality images directly influence sales. Now, this is a caution. Do not overwhelm your customers with lengthy product descriptions. Keep it clear and concise, and highlighting key features and benefits that matters most to your audience. Now you have to capture attention with strategic banners at the top of your product page. Now you need to promote things such as limited time offer, free shipping threshold, or any other enticing detail, or any other enticing deals. Now another thing that you should do is that you need to automatically adjust currency and language based on a visitor's location. This small touch creates a more personalized shopping experience. Now, customer ratings and reviews are gold. And to do this, you have to encourage customers to leave reviews by offering incentive or loyal points. Now, positive reviews build trust and influence. Now, special offers are a great way to capture emails. Offer exclusive discounts or early access to new products in exchange for sign-ups. An email list allows for targeted market campaign and retargeting potential customers who haven't converted yet. Now, another thing that you need to do is that you have to offer a real-time customer support through live chat functionality. This allows visitors to address any question or concern instantly, increasing the likelihood to purchase. And also you need to ensure your store is mobile friendly. With the rise of mobile shopping, a seamless mobile experience is crucial. Now again, don't leave visitors empty-handed. Consider offering exit intent pop-ups with a discounted code or free shipping to entice last-minute conversion. Don't be afraid to experiment. A/B testing allows you to compare different versions of your product page, call to action, and website layout. This data-driven approach helps you to identify what resonates most with your audience, ultimately optimizing your conversion rates. Now, by implementing this conversion rate strategy, you will be well on your way to turning casual visitors into loyal customers. And remember, conversion rate optimization is an ongoing process. Now let's face it, if a customer can't find you online, they can't buy your amazing products. SEO, or search engine optimization, is how to get your Shopify store seen by right people at the right time. Imagine a customer types in unique card marks on Google and your store pops up first. That's the power of SEO. By optimizing your store, you increase visibility in search results, leading to more organic traffic and ultimately more sales. Now here is where the magic happens. On-page SEO. You need to focus on optimizing your store content to be search friendly. Now here is what you need to know. Content is king. You need to optimize your content titles, descriptions, and headers with the relevant keywords. Now you need to think about words the customer will use to search for your products. Now another thing that you need to do to increase your SEO is that you need to build backlinks or links from other high quality websites to your store. This will tell the search engine that your store is trusted. Now to do this, you need to consider guest blogging or collaborating with influencers in your niche to score those backlinks. Now, while this might sound complicated, technical SEO is about optimizing your website code and structure. This ensures search engines can easily crawl and index your content. Now, don't worry, most Shopify themes are already optimized, but a developer can help you fine-tune things if needed. Now, finding a right keyword is like a treasure map to SEO success. We have free tools like Google Keyword Planner can help you to analyze search volume and competition for different keywords. Now here is a pro tip. We all know about Google Keyword Planner. What about ChatGPT? This AI-powered tool can help you to write a compelling SEO description for your products, saving you tons of time and effort. Now the ideal keyword is like Goldilocks situation. Not too competitive, not too obscure, but just right. Look for keywords with high search volume, those keywords that lots of people are searching, and low competition for your store to rank for it. And also what you need to do is that you have to include your chosen keywords strategically throughout your store. Think meta descriptions, product title, and headers. Now here is another trick. You need to optimize your product image with the relevant keywords in the file name. Now imagine a well-organized store, easy to navigate. Everything is where it should be. Now another thing that you need to consider is a site structure. You need to have a clear, organized website. Now a clear, organized website makes it easier for search engines to crawl and understand. Now SEO is not just about keyword. It's about creating high quality content that attracts and engages your audience. Think short informative videos for TikTok or Instagram Reels on topics relevant to your products and brand. This one will attract valuable links and improves overall SEO. Now you need to get this one from me. SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, consistent, and keep creating valuable content, and you will see results. Affiliate marketing is a powerful tool to skyrocket your Shopify's store traffic and sales. Basically, affiliate marketing is like having an army of salespeople promoting your products for free. Now you need to partner with affiliates, bloggers, influencers, and YouTubers who recommends your products to their audience. When a customer makes a purchase through the affiliate unique link, they earn a commission on the sale. And this is a win-win-win situation. You gain a valuable brand exposure and sales, and also customer discovers through trusted sources. Now there are countless reasons why you need to launch your Shopify affiliate program. Now first one is it is cost-effective marketing. You only pay affiliates when they generate sales, making it a budget-friendly marketing strategy. Now targeted rich affiliates have established audience interested in your niche, hence driving targeted traffic to your store. Affiliates who genuinely love your products can become passionate brand advocates, boosting trust and credibility. Some will say, what am I going to do to set up my affiliate program? Now here are the things that you need to do to set up your affiliate program. The first one is that you need to decide what percentage of each sales you will offer your affiliate. Another thing that you need to put into consideration is cookie duration. How long will a customer's purchase be attributed to an affiliate after clicking their link? You need also to provide affiliate with the detailed product description, high quality images, and marketing copy. Consider offering affiliate unique discount codes to incentivize their audience. So Mose, where do I find perfect affiliates? We have platforms such as Share a Sale and CJ Affiliates or Flex Offers. These platforms connects merchants with affiliates. Now another thing that you need to do is that you have to use the power of social media. Look for influencers in your niche with engaged following. Reach out to them and then discuss potential partnership. Find bloggers passionate about your products. Offer them a chance to promote your store. Here is a bonus tip. Don't focus on big names. Micro-influencers with dedicated, engaged communities can be a highly valuable partners. There are several apps that can simply manage your affiliate program. We have Refashion. This is a popular and user-friendly app that handles everything from affiliate recruitment to commission tracking. Now the next one is called Lead Dino. This app offers advanced features like real-time reporting and customizable commission structure. Another app that is popular is called App Promote. This is a cost-effective option that allows you to manage your affiliates and track their performance. Now, building a successful affiliate program takes some time and effort, but the reward is undeniable. By offering attractive commissions, providing valuable resources to your affiliates, you can turn your Shopify store into a sales powerhouse.